name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to turn text to 3D images like this, step by step tutorial with Bing AI 2 without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post valuable content about AI like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to turn your text into 3D images like this using bingai.com step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. Welcome back, friends. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your browser and come to the address bar right here. Make sure you type in bing.com and press enter on your keyboard. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on images. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Then you come to the top right here, type in your prompt. So I'm going to put the prompt in the description of this video. So check the prompt in the description. After you type in your prompt right here, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Here you are. So this is the result right here. So for you to download any of the result right here, what you want to do is to just click on the image. Then it's going to load up. Then click on download right here. Then we can swipe and download as many as possible. So this is the second one. I'm going to download. Then I'm going to swipe. This is the third one. I'm going to download this also. Then I'm going to download this. All right, so this is the prompt right here, like I said. And you can also check the description of this video to get the write-up of complete prompt in the description of this video. So we can also modify the prompt right here. So for us to do that, we just have to close this icon right here. Then we go back to the home page of Bing. So we go back to the home page. I'm going to place the prompt again. So I'm going to change the social media icon from Facebook to another social media name. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So right here, I will change this to YouTube. Okay, YouTube. Then I will click on create right here. Create. So here is the result right here. So we can click on here and download any of the result right here. So I'm going to click on download to download the image. Then I will swipe and see more. I'm going to download this. Download. It's as simple as that. So this is how to do text to image with AI Bing free tools with prompts. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you love AI content like this, consider to subscribe to the channel for more AI content and prompts like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.